Alright, a lot of you have been asking what gear I use to make my videos, take photos, shoot cinematic shots, and basically to create content on my page, Jempla Builds. So today, I'm showing you my full camera setup. This is Jem of Jempla Builds and welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we start, this video is not sponsored. Nobody paid me to say any of this. Everything here was bought with my own money throughout the years. First up, my main camera, the Sony FX30. This is my primary filmmaking camera and probably the most used gear on this table. I use this for cinematic shot, build sequence, close-up details, slow motion clips, and pretty much all my main footage. Image quality on this thing is insane, especially paired with good lighting and lenses. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for content creation. And this is what I'm using to shoot this video, my Sony FX30. Next is my Sony A7II. This camera has been with me for a long time. I mainly use it for photography, secondary angles, thumbnails, and backup shots. Even though it's an older camera, it still delivered amazing qualities and proves that you don't always need the newest camera gear to create content. And of course, my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I use this one especially for reels, short form content, quick shot, behind the scene clips, and anytime I need to film something instantly. And honestly, smartphone cameras are so powerful now that sometimes the best camera is always just in your pocket. For my action camera, I use the GoPro Hero Black. This thing is super reliable on taking time lapses, overhead shots, desk setups, and angles that I don't want to risk my bigger cameras. Having a small camera that I can place anywhere really helps makes the video more dynamic. Next is Insta360 GO 3S. Honestly, this tiny camera is the one of the coolest tool I own. It's so small that I can almost mount it anywhere, literally anywhere. On the shelves, tools, tight corners, even weird angles that bigger camera can't fit in. Perfect for POV shots and creative transition. Then we got the Insta360 X4. This camera is just crazy. Since it shoots 360 degrees camera angle, I can reframe shots after filming and create those cinematic smooth movements. It makes content way more immersive and adds a different style compared to the regular cameras. So for my audio, I use this DJI microphone. Good audio is just important as a good video. A lot of people focus on a good camera, but bad audio can ruin a good video instantly. The DJI microphone keeps my voice clean, clear, and professional without dealing with messy wires. And lastly, the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. These are honestly super fun and useful. I use them for natural POV content, behind the scene moments, quick clips, casual filming without pulling out a full camera setup. It feels way more natural and spontaneous. But honestly, this setup didn't happen overnight. It took years of saving, upgrading, and learning. I started simple too. So if you're thinking about starting a content creation, don't wait until you have the perfect setup. Start with what you have. Learn your gear, be creative, and improve little by little. Because in the end of the day, creativity matters more than expensive equipments. And if you guys want, I can make a full behind the scene videos on how I set up my cameras, how I shoot, how I edit, my full workflow. You can comment in the comment section, so I'll make a video about my workflow. So thank you guys for the support always, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and visit my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok account. So yeah, this is Jem of Jempla Builds. Let's build and let's go.